Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Instagram notes feature not showing on your Android mobile. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are not getting Instagram new notes feature, then I will show you how to fix this issue. Guys, first of all you need to check whether your Instagram is up to date or not. Just tap on the Play Store. Then search for Instagram. If your Instagram is not up to date, then update it from here. Then go back and try the second method. Just tap on the settings. You need to scroll down a little bit. Just tap on the apps. Tap on the see all apps. Here you need to find Instagram. Just tap on the Instagram. Once you need to tap on the force stop. After tapping the force stop, you will find storage and cache. Just tap on the storage and cache. Once you need to tap on the clear cache. After tapping the clear cache, then go back and try the third method. Just tap on the settings. Then search for clone. Just tap on the app clone. Here you can see Instagram. You just need to enable this option. After enabling this option, you will get the app clone of Instagram. Then go back. Guys, you can see the app clone of the Instagram. Just tap to open this. You need to log in your Instagram account and try to access the feature from here. Guys, still you are facing the issue, then I will show you the last and final method. You just need to open your Instagram. Just tap on your profile icon. You can see top right side 3 horizontal line. Just tap on that. Tap on the settings. And last you can see help option. Just tap on the help and tap on the report a problem. And tap on report a problem. Here you need to write some of the matter. As you can see, hi Instagram team, I am not getting notes feature option on my Instagram messenger. Please solve my problem as soon as possible. And you need to attach a screenshot of that notes feature not getting option. After adding this screenshot, just tap on the next button. After tapping the next button, your problem will be reported to the Instagram. Guys, after submitting this problem, you need to wait for minimum 24 to 48 hours. After waiting up to 48 hours, hope your problem will be solved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix new notes feature not getting option on your Instagram. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.